Verb to be indicates existence, identity, or state. It links the subject of a sentence to a subject complement. It used to establish identity, to describe a state, to form continuous tenses. Verb to be indique existence, identité ou bien état. Li connecte sujet en phrase à complément li. Nous utilisons verb to be pour établir identité, écrire état ak former temps progressif yo. Let's conjugate the verb to be and the present tense. Temps présent. I am. Moi c'est. You are. Ou c'est. He is. She is. It is. Li c'est. You are. Non c'est. We are. Non c'est. They are. Yo c'est. Now, let's play some example about indicating identity. I am Virgil Pierre. You are Emmanuel. He is Joseph. She is Maranatha. It is a house. You are students. We are Christians. They are Billy and Vava.